The Cadillac CT6 Plug-in Hybrid is the most interesting car the brand sells. Despite having a turbocharged 4-cylinder hybrid powertrain, it makes the most torque of any CT6, even the twin-turbocharged V6 model. It also has a claimed electric range of 31 miles and can still manage a combined fuel economy of 26 miles per gallon with just the gas engine. Even its origin is interesting, since its final assembly point is China. To cap things off, it's also the second most expensive CT6 in the range. To find out if the CT6 is worth that money, and has more to offer than fun facts, we spent some time behind the wheel. Editor-in-Chief Greg Migliore, I achieved 34.1 miles per gallon for my roughly 14-mile round trip in the CT6 Hybrid. This sedan is a rolling example of where luxury is heading in the near term. Existing models souped up with hybrid tech, and the green features will go a long way toward keeping big sedans like this relevant. It's a smart play for Cadillac to add a product like this. Otherwise, it's a fairly standard issue CT6, which is a solid car. The flashy head and taillights look great. The design is angled, creased and nicely proportioned. The interior is comfortable and roomy. It's a nice car. Cadillac invested a lot in the CT6, and it shows. Rumors have long swirled that the brand will add a larger flagship, though in this climate, that's hard to envision. For now, the CT6 does the job as Cadillac's standard bearer.